Aye, I found a funny thing with this bike, the rider, the settings for the suspension for rider pillion, and whatever. And if you have it set to rider and pillion and luggage, once you set it back to single rider, you can actually watch your bike sitting more upright. Obviously, when you change the settings, you're not sitting on the bike. You're better to have the engine running, but not on the bike when you change settings, or it just confuses it. So I've got it set to rider, pillion and luggage. I'll set it to just rider and watch, see if we can see it going upright. So I'll start it up. So as you can see, we're at rider, pillion and luggage. I'll set it now to just rider, and I'll run to the front and see if we can watch the bike upright in itself. Oh, where am I going? Motorcycle, load, so we're at rider. Okay, here we go. Did you see it? Maybe never saw it. But anyway, I thought that was quite fascinating anyway. However, time for a cuppa.